Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We are back for another week of What's for Dinner. This is Sunday night, and surprise, surprise, we are not having breakfast food. My husband asked for his version of ramen noodles. We don't eat the packets anymore, so I take fine Asian vermicelli noodles. I buy at an Asian market here, and we beef them up. This is something he learned when he lived overseas. I think he was on a pretty tight budget. We add rice, cheese, eggs, and a bunch of seasonings, so it's kind of a cross between an egg drop soup and a chicken noodle soup, and we call it
ramen.
Ramen. And that is What's for Dinner Sunday. It's Monday night. I had a busy day, so I put something easy on the menu. Tim grilled out some hot dogs. I took some chili out of the freezer, so we're having chili dogs, chips, fruits. His plate is more full than mine. But that is What's for Dinner on Monday.
It's well styled.
It is well styled. And you have a lot more chips and twice the hot dog. At least you're eating grapes. Tuesday night, and we're having a variation of Taco Tuesday. Tim asked for chicken fajitas, so we've got fajitas and peppers, tomatoes, onions, and mushrooms grilled. I've made mine up, and I have tried an experiment, sort of a pinto beans in the Instant Pot, sort of a soup with pinto beans. It's kind of soupy beans. I'm trying to imitate something that I found at probably just one local Mexican restaurant that I love. So we're fixing to give it a try, see if it turns out. I'll leave a comment whether it worked or not. And that is What's for Dinner Tuesday. It's Wednesday night. I had something different on the menu, but we ended up having a lunch out this week that wasn't planned for, so we had a little more leftovers. So we took last night's chicken fajitas and made quesadillas. Got the soupy pinto bean soup left over, chips and salsa. And Tim has a lot more, and then I'm going to have some of my homemade strawberry yogurt. But quesadillas is What's for Dinner on Wednesday. Thursday night, this is obviously not leftovers. I had a very good-looking guy offer to take me out to run errands to the tool store and the hardware store and the Home Depot, which I'm uber excited about. And to compensate, he offered me a burger and fries.
The world's greatest
burger at Fuddruckers. We hadn't been here. It's been here a while. We hadn't been here. Mine's a mushroom Swiss, and I think his was the bourbon. Nope, bacon cheddar. And that is What's for Dinner Thursday. Friday night, and we are not sticking to no meat on Fridays during Lent. We did not get to the sausage cheese pie the other night, so we are having a sausage cream cheese pie slash quiche slash... Tim, you like quiche?
Quiche.
Tim loves quiche. Along with some sauteed zucchini noodles and a big salad on the side.
With
and that
ranch dressing.
And some homemade ranch dressing. I made butter again today, and that's the buttermilk separated from making the butter from the heavy cream. So homemade dressing, salad, zucchini, and sausage quiche. That's What's for Dinner Friday. In addition to making another batch of homemade butter, I made another loaf of banana bread to go with it. Last time I made my slightly healthier version, which uses just flour and sugar. It has a little less sugar in it. This time I made the one we like better. It's from my sister Gail. It uses Bisquick and a whole lot of sugar. If you can tell, it's almost gone. So I'm going to type both these up, and I'll have the links to these two banana bread recipes listed below. Just check the description box if you're interested in a banana bread recipe. It's awesome. It's Saturday night. We're eating out again. Tim picked Firehouse Subs. He's got a large New York steamer. I've got a small Engineer and some chips. And he's got a hat right above his head.
Let me put it on in a minute.
Alright, so this is Saturday dinner. That ends another week of What's for Dinner. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.